Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon everyone. This is Abdullah Babhoum. I'm heading to technology operation in Du. Du is a telecom operator in UAE and happy to be here participating and sharing our AI use case that got implemented recently. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Of course, who's using vacation? And now, under your applause, I would like to present our next speaker, Mr. Abdullah. Please, stage is yours.
Thank you so much. Again, this is Abdullah from Du, and today I will take you over our journey of AI use case that we have implemented. First of all, I would like to thank AIM for their well-coordinated event. It was very impactful and insightful session as well. Without further ado, it's not working. Yeah. Oh no, sorry, it's here. Okay. All right. Du is the main telecom operator in UAE, providing different variety of services to our customers in different sectors, different industries like government, healthcare, and any other, you name it, industry in UAE, with variety of products portfolio and very wide product portfolio that we are having today, from cloud services, from networking, from telecom, from be it M2M, etc. And we have injected recently AI as a use case or as a solution to our customers, and we are the first main beneficiary of this new trend. We started adopting AI and we called it AI in everything. And when I call it, and the reason why we've called it AI in everything, because AI, but naturally it has to be a use cases or should be a lifestyle of all our organizations in order to improve and take the brand or the company or the country to the next level. And that was inherited from our leadership in the country. And we have been, since 2023, starting to develop a lot of use cases. Today, proudly, we are having more than 500 AI use cases either ready for implementation or has been implemented so far, or it will be under the planning phase. Definitely, it is touching two important portfolio in our organization. First is infrastructure from compute and networking, and then systems with billing, copilot, and different aspects touching our customers to provide the best digital experience for them, touching products and providing tailored services to our esteemed customers, and finally, with sustainability to reduce our carbon footprint and achieve energy saving objective. Our use case today is touching the sustainability part, which is started in 2020. In 2020, during the pandemic, the company Du has decided to be the first operator to invest in 5G. And investing in 5G itself has brought for us another problem statement, which is 5G naturally will go and consume 3 times more power than the current or previous existing services like 2G and legacy 3G and 4G. That was the problem statement. So how we can mitigate this? We started to mitigate this by doing a lot of manual intervention, by shutting down some radio resources, shutting up, trying different ways, trying to apply different techniques to reduce our spend to save our environment. But that was not sustainable, because we are aiming to have a solution that really addressed the problem. Next, we went to a squad, and based on that, we started to have the problem statement well addressed, and then we thought of why we don't enable AI in everything in order to mitigate for us this problem. The solution was, it went through 5 different stages. From data collection, we started to collect data from different data points and data sets in our network, worth 100 million of samples. And then we started to evaluate and analyze those samples carefully to make sure that we don't impact the market, we don't impact the people, we don't impact the customers, and to be always ranked #1 globally, which is proudly here. Again, we are one of the lead operators globally when it comes to internet speed. Then it went to the, after we finished successfully the learning and we captured all the analysis and evaluation of the samples that we had, we went to start developing those scenarios and trying to build the right decisioning that we need in order to have our AI engine that we've created active and started to take decisions on our behalf based on the machine learning that it does, based on the training and different evaluation that we have carried over. There is the deployment happened in a very small scale first, just to make sure that we are not missing anything. And the small sample ended up by having it today nationwide in our network, covering all our mobile network. Our AI engine today, which is PowerStar engine, started today to capture all the customer trends and patterns based on the learning, based on different techniques that we have educated and we have built this algorithm to make sure that we are ahead of the game here. And today, the tool, while we are sleeping, is taking over our role and definitely doing it seamlessly and smoothly. It went through a very massive monitoring to make sure that we are, again, not impacting our customers. And alhamdulillah, it has been proven for the last 1 full year and has delivered what's supposed to be delivered. As a result, the numbers in front of you, those are achieved numbers so far based on the implementation of these use cases. We have delivered 16.25 million kilowatts of energy saved. If you convert this to dollar sign, that is almost 4% of our company spend that goes into energy and our spend in energy and power that has been already saved, which was recognized by our board, recognized by our country and our company as well. Reducing our carbon footprint by 9K metric tons, which is equal to planting 400K of trees, serving the environment and serving the agenda of UAE in sustainability and making sure that we are always ahead. This is not the end of the story. This is the start of our journey in AI. And we are having, as I said earlier, we have more than 500 use cases to be implemented, and some has been implemented like this one. And by this, I have reached to my end of my session. And as Eli said, we will leave the questions to the end. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for such a great presentation, and it's amazing that we see these results and we can see. So now it's
the inevitable effects of major weather events coming from climate change. How are we going to actually adapt our urban environments to that? So hopefully this is the space we'll see more investment and more technical innovation in.
Thank you very much. Just in a similar note, AI for good, that's a trend that we need to support. Also to echo a lot of the stuff that was said, so it happened that we're using AI just by coincidence. We got a lot of data, we didn't know what to do with that, so we started to implement AI in the way that we process the data. Then we had to build a multimodal approach to have a model that allows us to map the temperature and delivering it. The reason why a lot of folks enjoy working and partnering with us is AI for good, in the sense that, for instance, in 2023, 66,000 people died from heat waves. So heat is taking a lot of lives. If we want to deliver a technology now to the world and be able to deliver it fast, AI can do that for us. So why not using AI for good? Why not building data centers for good? Why not building GPUs or improving the technology of GPUs in the world for good? Why not influencing good so users can have that technology in their hands? Generative AI and lots of other things can be used for good. So I really encourage everyone just to use the trend of remembering AI, how can I do AI for good? Thank you.
As we are advanced in sustainability, I will not go with sustainability, but I'm going to go with maybe a tailored services to our consumer or to our customers that goes with a very designed fashion AI solutions to make our people life easy, reduce the human intervention with different sales agents, etc., and use robotics instead of dealing with humans that will, give a 24/7 feel to the industry, that will keep everybody today can access any service, any place, anytime, without having a need to move or start up his car from his home, going to somewhere else to apply for a service or a product. So I will foster, or I will maybe wish to have that harness of AI in our tailored services to our customers.
Thank you very much.